Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get start today video. So today question is every villagers think like that. I'm villager, can I speak English? Then yes, you can speak English. If you are practicing on daily basis, then you can speak English fluently. So it's not matter you are villagers or city, a boy or girl. You can easily speak. Just you have to passion to learn this language, and it is very simple language. You can easily speak without any more complication. You can learn. Just you have to knowledge about tenses like where I have to use is, are, am, was, where, had, has, have, will have, shall have, and will, shall, will be, shall be, will had been, shall had been, like this. You have to knowledge about this thing. Just you know this thing, then you can easily speak. So I think you can understand. So, and if you are living in village, so there is no environment found you there, like you no partner also you found there to speak English. So it's not problem. I think it is an opportunity. You can speak English with whom who don't know about English, because they cannot understand your language. Then you can easily speak, and you found your mistake, then you can write down or remember your mistake and try to improve yourself in next time. Okay, so if you are doing this thing, then you can easily speak English, and you can also improve your spoken part. And if you are always looking for opportunity in a village, then you can never find. You just have to create this opportunity. Okay, because uh, good times never come. It's our responsibility to uh, create good times and to make our times good. It's only depend on you, and so you are responsible for your good and bad times. So just try to improve yourself, try to make yourself best. Okay, and for improving English, you can also watch cartoon videos is very helpful. When we start to speak English, that time we don't know how to frame our sentences. That time this type videos help us a lot, because they using very simple English languages. We can easily understand this thing. In starting, you also try to uh, speak simple and understandable speaking spoken English. Okay, don't try to make like बहुत बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलने की कोशिश ना करो, because in starting it's difficult, because we have no more vocab. So that's why we cannot frame our sentences. So just try to speak in very simple way. After practicing, after a long time, you have more knowledge of English, and you have more meaning collection and vocab. Then you can easily speak. A spoken parts not demanding more grammar parts and all. You have to knowledge only tenses and modals and some vocab. Then you can easily start your spoken part, and you also found that now you are able to speak English. So it's clear that it's not matter you are village girl, village boy, or village woman, village man. Anyone can speak in English. You just have to passion to speak English. If you have passion to learn this language, then you can easily and you can easily learn this language. And so you should to try and make your life best. come and try to make your life and your parents life good. So just try to take decision today and start doing or work on that decision till the time when you not found success. Okay, just try to practice English. If you are making mistakes somewhere, it is not a bad thing, because human nature to make mistake, but by this mistake you will have to learn. So keep this thing in mind. I think this video is helpful for you. Bye bye everyone. I will meet you in next video.